Well, finally tonight, in some rural communities, it may take longer for an ambulance to arrive on the scene of an emergency. And that's why the police department in Breezy Point has officers on staff that are also trained paramedics. Becky Parker tells us about their one-of-a-kind partnership with North Memorial in this week's Community Spotlight.
Breezy Point is a growing community and the population swells in the summer months. As a result, the number of life-threatening emergencies has been increasing. That's why 2 officers at the Breezy Point Police Department double as paramedics through a partnership with North Memorial.
This is the first of its kind that we are aware of in the nation of a public-private partnership between North Memorial Ambulance Service in the city of Breezy Point.
The nearest ambulances are in Brainerd, Cross Lake, and Pine River and can take 15 to 20 minutes to arrive on the scene. The police paramedics are close by and can start tending to an emergency patient while waiting for an ambulance.
The quicker we can get them to definitive care, the better off they're going to be. So if we can get there in 3 minutes and have the information to be able to make a decision on which facility they need to go to, that is certainly more beneficial to the patient than waiting for 15 to 20 minutes.
The officers are trained in administering medications, IVs, intubation, cardiac monitoring, and defibrillation. North Memorial provides much of the equipment and training.
Breezy Point isn't the only community that benefits from the police paramedics. They also serve Pelican Township and the surrounding areas. And police paramedic Joseph Garcia is a member of the Crow Wing County Tactical Response Team.
The program saves money for the city of Breezy Point.
Having an ambulance service in this area staffed would cost roughly $400,000 a year. For a few $1,000s, we give these medics some additional equipment, and they provide a much higher level of medical care.
But that is not nearly as rewarding as the lives that have been saved as paramedics take advantage of each passing minute.
Each one of the pins that we wear, the pins on our shirts, are people. They have a name. They've come up and they've shook my hand when they were dead initially. And because of our program and because of our cooperation with the first responders and North Memorial Ambulance, these people are alive.
And those living in or visiting Breezy Point can rest easy knowing there's someone nearby to help in case of an emergency. For this week's Community Spotlight, Becky Parker, Lakeland News.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.